In this video, I want to take you through the introduction to IDRISI Selva. In the previous video, I've shown you how to install IDRISI Selva. So when you launch IDRISI Selva, this is the interface. And first launching it, it will bring these tips. So you can just close these tips, and this is how the interface looks like. Here is the menu bar. You can see different menus here. Then here, if you click here, this is IDRISI Explorer. If you click to expand it, here you can connect to your folder, you can create your projects. So let me click here to collapse it. So here is file. If you click on file, you can see IDRISI Explorer, you can see imports. Here you can import your data, you can see general conversion tools. And here you can see government stroke data provider format. You can see Landsat, Sports, Geojay, and a lot of data source. And here is the software specific format where you can see S3 format, you can see shapefile and other formats here. So now let's come to display. Under display, you can see a whole lot of tools here as well. You can see display launcher. Then you can come to GIS analysis where you can see database query. You can see a whole lot of query here, and you can see mathematical operators. These are mathematical operators, and you can see distance operator as well. And of course, it has decision support tools where you can do your weight, multi-criteria, evaluations, and a lot of decision support tools. And if you are into time series analysis, you can see a whole lot of tools here. And if you are doing service analysis, you can see interpolation, you can see different method of interpolation here. And if you are into topographic variables, you can see slope, aspect, hill shade, curvature, and so on. Then if you come to modeling, you can see different modeling tools here that you can use. And if you are into image processing, you can see restoration, image enhancement, image transformations, and even accuracy assessment down here. So this software has a whole lot of tools. IDRISI Selva. So you can see format, data entry, window list, and if you click on help, you can come to about here, and you can see the product, which is IDRISI, and you can see version. Here, this one is version 17.02. So this is the interface of IDRISI Selva. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to use this software to run analysis. I hope this video is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.